On this day, this is during Hanukkah, and for 2 nights during Hanukkah, I did spend the night at the Super 8 Hotel. Long hot baths and showers, and just a nice bed to sleep in, and just for a change, because being in the trailer, it's a very tiny, cramped situation. And there's no such thing as long hot showers, because the tank won't hold enough and it won't keep enough hot long enough to take a long hot shower. You can take a shower and that's it. So basically, living here on the property is like camping, and a very long, unpleasant, prolonged camping trip. And so I wasn't home overnight, and it shows that somebody arrived at my property at 12:23 p.m., but it wasn't me. They were at the Super 8 where they knew I was, and then they came to my property. And let me get this out of the way. And again, this is an aerial vehicle because of the route taken. It's not driving the highway and streets. It is going over buildings in areas that, and through, as you see the property line, my neighbor's property, to directly above my trailer, and it looks like that's where it lands. And I could check. So it was at my property overnight. From the night it stayed there all night until the next day.